Hello everyone. Let me first introduce ourselves and my team. My name is Gavatani. I'm from the Department of Biotechnology and she is Manju Bashi, Department of Biotech. She is Yashini, Department of ECE and she is Padma, Department of Biology. We came to a 3 days hands-on training program on 3D painting and for the first day, we came to know how to use Tinkercad, which is a 3D printing prototype creating free software, and we get to know how to create a prototype online. In the second day, we understood how to operate slicing platforms such as Creality and Eldo. We used that software to slice and create our prototype. And for the third day, we came to create our own prototype into the 3D printing and we printed our output. The first step is designing the model. For this, we use Tinkercad, which is a free and beginner-friendly 3D modeling software. In Tinkercad, we created the micropipette prototype by combining basic geometric shapes such as cylinders and rectangular shapes. Using the editing tools, we adjusted the dimensions and aligned the components to achieve the desired structure of the micropipette. The next step is slicing the 3D model. For slicing, we used Creality Slicer, which converts the STL file into G-code, the language that a 3D printer understands. After importing the STL file into the software, we optimized several printing parameters to achieve better printer quality. These optimized parameters help ensure accurate layer formation, good adhesion, and stable printing. After setting all these parameters, the slicing software converts the model into G-code, which is instruction file that the 3D printer follows to print the object layer by layer using the fused deposition modeling. The final output is 3D model written mini micropipette. Through this process, we have learned that through 3D design, we can transform a physical object. And thank you, IDEA Lab, for giving this wonderful opportunity.